To adjust the sound volume for separate apps in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the sound and vibration options. Now scroll all the way down and enter additional settings, and after that you'll be able to find adjust the media sound in multiple apps, and you can also activate multiple audio sources. So first one is adjust sound for individual apps while multiple apps play audio simultaneously, and multiple audio sources is don't adjust the media volume during incoming notifications or while audio from other sources played. So you can enable or disable the second option, but now let me show you how to actually use it. So first of all, we'll need to have a running audio. So I'm gonna open a YouTube and my video right here, and then if when it's playing, if you're wondering if click on the volume down buttons and then click on this speaker on the left. This will allow you to adjust the volume only for YouTube in this case, and you can, for example, have different volume on YouTube and different volume on Audible if you're listening to a book and music. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.